Hello children, I am Ramya Bharti. From today onwards I am going to take science to you. So today's topic is fibers to fabric. We already learned in 6th standard that fibers are obtained from both animals and from synthetics. So today we are going to see wool. Wool is mainly obtained from sheep, goat and yak. So these are the animals that gives us wool. So why do they have wool? Because they want to keep warm. Wool traps air, which is a bad conductor of temperature, heat. So it keeps them warm during winters. So where do we get wool from? Wool from fleece. Fleece is air. So they have two types of air. One is coarse beard air and the second one is fine soft air, which is under their skin. So we use this type of air to make wool. Fine soft under air to close to wools. We make this air to make wools. So how do we get this kind of air alone? So there are animals which have only fine soft air, okay, that does not have coarse beard air. We are taking that kind of goats and they are crossbreeding them. So we will get offspring which has only soft skin. This is called selective breeding. So in this we are taking two goats which has only soft skin. We are crossing it, so we will get soft skin offspring. This is termed as selective breeding. So now we are seeing what are the kind of animals that gives us wool. So yak is living, this kind of yak is found in Tibet and Ladakh. And Angora goat that gives Angora wool, that is found in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri goat that gives Pashmira shawls. We are obtaining shawls from it. And Lamba and alpaca. These are type of camels that gives us wool. It is found in South America. So now we are going to see rearing and breeding. Rearing and breeding is nothing but growing the cattle for wool. So they are rearing and breeding. So they are mostly grown in Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. These are the places where we can rear and breed the goats, because these are having more grasses. They are herbivorous, right? They eat more grasses and they need more grasses. These are the places where we can find more grasses for them to eat. So now we are moving on to the process of fabricating. So how we are making fibers into fabrics. First step, shearing. Shearing is nothing but cutting the hairs from the goats. We shave their hair and make them into fibers. So like we are shaving our hairs, they don't pain. The animals won't feel pain, and shearing is mostly done during summers, so that during winter the animals get the air and they feel warm again. Scouring. Scouring is nothing but cleaning the air which we got from shearing. So why are we cleaning this? To remove dirts, grease and then dust. We are showering because we need a clean air. Sorting. So sorting is nothing but arranging. Okay, we are arranging this as based on textures, types, and then length. So we are arranging this based on these three things. So next step is cleaning of burrs. So after this process we'll get small burrs, which is small round balls. We cannot make this into fabrics. So we are cleaning it. Again we are scoring it, because we need to make sure that it is stayed clean. So first we are removing all the burrs and then washing it again to make it clean. Next, dyeing. Dyeing is nothing but giving color to the fibers, because we need different colors, right? We don't have to put the same color of clothes. We need different types of different colored clothes, so we are dyeing it. So we will get different kind, whatever kind we want to have. Next, rolling. After dyeing, we'll roll this into yarns so that we can make them into fabrics. The yarns you see in your house are made in this way. So that's all for today's class. Read the textbook one. I'll just give you a recap of whatever we learned today. So we started with wool. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat and yaks. This wool helps them trap the air so that they will be warm. Two types of air. There are two types of air in wool, goats. First one is coarse beard hair and fine soft under hair. We use this type of hair, so we obtained a process called selective breeding. In this, we are crossing soft skin goat into soft skin goat, where we get soft skinned offspring. So what are the types of animal that gives us wools? First one, yak, that lives in Ladakh and Tibet. Angora goat, that gives Angora wool, that lives in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri goat, that gives Pashmina shawls, which we use as a shawl, and during cold times we use that shawl, right? That too Kashmiri goat gives. So Lama and Alpasa, these are camel varieties and they live in South America. So rearing and breeding, where do they live? These are the places where we can find more number of goats that gives us wool. Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. So last process of converting fibers into fabrics. Step 1, shearing, removing of hair from the goat. This is called shearing and it won't pain. It is done during summer so that hair grows when winter comes. So second step is scrousing. Scrousing is cleaning. We clean the hair which is shaved from the goats and clean it to get rid of grease, dust, etc. So next is sorting. Sorting is arranging this as which we obtained. We arrange this based on textures, types and length, so that we can make this into different types of clothes. So fourth step is cleaning of burrs. Burrs is small balls which obtained during this process, and we are cleaning it so that we'll get lengthy yarns. And again we are cleaning it so that it is cleaned. Step 5, dyeing. This is done to get different colored yarns. Last step, rolling. We are rolling it to get yarns which we use to make fabrics. That's all for today's class.